Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of people app you click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about the application of Babbel and we click here. In this page of app on file we go to first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to above, we will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.